Now, if the catering and shopping facilities on Swansea's Bay campus, where we are located of course, are not quite enough for you, then you can always hop on a bus to Swansea city centre. One of the first places that you may pass would be Swansea's Park Towie, which is this shopping centre just behind me. Now, in this shopping centre you'll find lots of very affordable sort of supermarkets where you can buy your groceries, such as one of the very recent arrivals to this park, Aldi, but also just around that corner there are a few more as well, and of course there are some fabulous restaurants here that you can make use of as well. And when you're here, if you're looking for something a little bit adventurous, you could always visit Plantasia, which is Swansea's very own sort of mini zoo. It's a fabulous giant greenhouse containing lots of exotic animals and plants just waiting for you to see them.